0. Okay. Remember, this is n to the 1. You have n squared. How many more n's do you need? You need one more. Because n times n, you add exponents n squared. So then multiply, switch the signs. You got your 0, perfect. This is positive 5n minus 29. Okay, n times what gives you 5n? It's a positive 5, right? Or you could think of your ratio. Positive 5n divided by n, it gives me 5, right? So then, what am I doing, 5? Okay, so positive 5 times n, positive 5n. Positive 5, negative 6 is negative 30, but you come in with a subtraction to change the signs. And combine, right, vertically downward with your like terms. So again, opposites, perfect. And so you're left with a positive 1. And so your answer is, you could write it as that or that. So with these quadratics, that's why I said you really have to just get comfortable with the vertical system of writing it. Because then once you get this down, pre-calculus math isn't as bad because it's really that, because what's going to happen is synthetic division is they remove the variables and it's just numbers. And so that's why then we're going to do cubics tomorrow, and then we're going to do the synthetic division tomorrow. So really, you just have to get used to this vertical. Bring it out. Okay, I realize I'm still recording. I thought I was, I don't know why I forgot. Okay, look, number 6, for those of you that remember then your placeholders. A placeholder is, see how this is a squared? See how there is no a term. No a term. It's a squared, there's nothing, then minus 28. See how there's no a? So a placeholder is when you're doing long division or synthetic division, you have to create a placeholder for those whatever term's missing. It has to be a proper progression of, say, a cubed, a squared, a constant, or x to the 5th, x to the 4, x to the 3, x to the 2, x to the 1, constant. There has to be a place for each position. So they're called placeholders. Now, the placeholder you want to write is totally your preference. So if you want to do this, or some students just put a blank, some students put a 0. It's up to you. It's your preference. I'll put, I'm going to put a 0A just so you guys see what it is. But you can do whatever you like, okay? All right, so here's what I mean. So this is plus 0A minus 28. And now you go ahead and complete the same process. What do I need to multiply a by to create a squared? You guys are figuring out it's 1 less, right? So this is a. So a squared minus 5a, and this is why you need the placeholder. You now have an a term. Had you had the negative 28 above, that's an integer, that's your constant. It cannot combine, they're not like terms. That's why you have to scoot it over, and whether you want to put a blank there, or put a big 0, or put nothing there, but you need a placeholder, okay? All right, so now switch the signs. There's my opposites, perfect. I have 5a, and now restart. What times a will give me the product positive 5a? And now multiply. 5 times a, oh wait, whoops, I forgot to bring on the term, sorry. Okay, 5 times a is positive 5a, and notice how they're identical. That means you're doing it right. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. And now, red marker, switch signs. subtraction, addition, and then take them down vertically. Here's my opposites, perfect. Negative 28, positive 25, negative 3, and so there's your solution. Or you can write this. Oh. Okay, so whichever one, or you can just keep it. Fair enough? Okay, so tomorrow we'll do cubics with synthetic division. So the sums differences, I'll do that first and I'll show you guys, but you're going to end up with a linear, and then of course your quadratic.